Hello, Rosa.
Hello, Amber.
You have been working in the mineral beneficiation industry for many years. So, today could you please introduce our Dasen Company?
Yes, Dasen Company has more than 20 years of mineral processing experience. Our company's goal is to provide customers with one-stop services, including the pre-mineral analysis, mineral experiment, engineering design, equipment manufacturing, installation and commissioning, technical training, and other integrated services.
As you said, Dasen Company provide many service and also have a lot of best-selling products. So could you please introduce one kind of best-selling products to us?
Yes, as the price of gold continues to rise, we have a 10 tons per day cyaniding leaching plant is very popular. This cyaniding leaching process is installed in the containers before delivery without infrastructure construction. On-site installation, saving a lot of time. It can be used as a medium-sized pellet plant, and also it can produce gold to accumulate the funds for the big plant.
Yeah, okay. So we also have other products. If you want to know more information about our Dasen Company, please welcome to contact with us. Okay. See you next time. Bye bye.